The arts management degree is a level 8 business degree with a difference. We teach core business skills with applied learning through real-life projects applied to the arts. The learning environment on the programme combines class-based theory workshops and discussions with experiential projects based in real-world contexts. Graduates go on to work in the cultural sector as well as the private sector, and also to go on to further studies in master's degree programmes.
A lot of graduate work is now in managing creativity within the cultural and creative industries, and the skills that we teach on this course are transferable very much to right across the board in that area. The assessments procedures are ongoing and they're very student friendly, and in fact students have often said that they've enjoyed the assessments much more than have felt under stress by them. We've some very successful graduates. One's running a studio in Wicklow, we have another in New York in the fashion industry, and we actually have a number who have gone into PR in Dublin and London.
Well, I'm in my final year here in IADT. I'm doing the Business Studies and Arts Management course. It's a really good course. There's a huge variety of kinds of subjects that we do throughout the 4 years. Everything from theatre, visual arts, music, HR, law, accounting, marketing. So there's a really good mix of the kind of interesting practical art side and the business stuff that you really need to really get a job. The campus is really small and kind of intimate, so you know everybody's name and everybody knows you, and that's really nice kind of vibe in IADT. The lecturers themselves are really good. They've got great experience. They don't only just teach the subjects, they actually practice them either in the recent past or currently as they're teaching. So that's brings another element to the course.
I particularly enjoyed the variety of practical approaches we took over the years. So we wrote plays and we organised events and exhibitions and gigs, and we shot short films and all of that. We were working in groups within our class, so it was very helpful to kind of get insights of loads of people, to learn from each other, and to get everybody's strengths and different interests to put into one project. In third year we're going on placement as well for 5 months, so everybody goes out in work in industries or different organisations in Ireland or abroad as well. So that was very valuable experience for us to get contacts in the industry and hopefully to get work.
From the placement programme in year 3 right through to our graduate surveys, we get great feedback from the cultural sector on the skills that our graduates can offer.